Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can read input status values of our Modbus TCP device in the LabVIEW. Okay, now in this video instead of input status value we are going to read the coil status. Okay, so my coil status is on or off, it's true or false, so that we are going to read in the LabVIEW. So here is my Modbus TCP simulated device and here is my LabVIEW project. So we are going to read the coil status of coil 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we are going to read the 4 coil status. If you want to read the more, then also you can do it. Now here right now the function code is 3, so I need to change the function code. So I have to go to slave definition, and here instead of holding register I have to change to coil status. Okay, and you can see the slave ID is 1. I'll press OK here, and then after I have to go to connection. I have to press on connect. Now our communication will be Modbus TCP IP based on the IP address. So here is the communication type Modbus TCP IP. Here is the IP address of my Modbus TCP device or TCP server, and here is the port number which I have specified here. You can see IP address 127.0.0.1, port number 10502, unit ID is 1 which we have selected while setting up the slave definition, and the timeout is 10,000 millisecond, and we are going to read the 4 coils. Okay, if you want to read the more, then you can do it. You can increase the count, and you can also increase the starting address if you want to read 4 coils from the first coil. Okay, you want to read this 4 coil, then you can change it to 1. If you want to read this 4 coil, then you have to set it to 0. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. Now we will go to connection, we will click on connect, and we will start our Modbus TCP server. Okay, it is up and running. Now we will run our LabVIEW project and it is connected, so you cannot see any error here, so it means that we are connected. Now I can change the value to on. Let me change to on, and once you change it to on, you can see the coils status is updated in the LabVIEW that coil 0 is on. If I change the coil 2, then you can see it is on again. If I change my last coil to the auto change status, then you can see it is flashing here, and the first coil, I mean coil 1, is off. I want to change the status, then I can change from here. Okay, we can also change the status from LabVIEW, but those things we are seeing in the future videos. Okay, so this video is only about how to read the coil status in the LabVIEW of our Modbus TCP device. So right now we are reading the coil status of our Modbus TCP device in the LabVIEW. If you want to write or if you want to update the coil status, then also it is possible, but that thing we are going to see in the future videos. So I hope this is clear that we are able to read the coil status in the LabVIEW of our Modbus TCP IP device. Okay, now if you want to buy this project, then the buying link is in the description of this video. Also, you can ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp if you have any question, concern, or if you want to buy this project. Okay, you can also modify the project by your own, that if you want to read a more number of coil count, then also you can make it. You can make this count as a static, so none of the person from this dashboard can change the count, none of the person can change the starting address. This should be we can code this LabVIEW project as a static thing also. Okay, you can code everything as a static, so no one can change from outside. They can only see the status on the dashboard. You can also make this project into the exe file, so you can just transfer the exe file to someone else, and they will also see the dashboard things. They will not see the code, or they will not see any internal programming. Okay, so that thing is possible. So if you still have any question or concern, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and I hope this thing is clear that we can read the coil status from LabVIEW of our Modbus TCP IP device. Okay, so we are going to meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see how to write coil status, or how to write or update the holding register values. Okay, so those things we are going to see in the future videos. So stay tuned for the future videos, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.